So I'm out here cleaning this bird bath right now, right? Moving around, and then look what I see. Look at it. Just sitting there. I think the head gone, but I'm not. So I'm out here cleaning this bird bath right now, right? And then moving around, and then look what I see. Look at. Now I'm thinking, like, did the cat do it? Because that cat been trying to be my friend. And the last cat that was around here was like bringing mice and sitting them at my back step. And you know, the last week he was trying to, well, the other week I had set a mice in my driveway. Child can't. And then the other week I was out here and I told y'all about how I had to fill this in with dirt, right? Well, I filled this back in with dirt because something had dug down in there. The only thing I can think of is that cat. So what I did, I filled it back up again and I put this rock there so the cat can't dig into it. I'll be so glad when this thing rot on down. Oh, there's like a big hole like right in there. Child. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with this dead bird. Man, I tell you. I have to get a shovel and oh my God. I guess I'll get a shovel and then put them somewhere. Just sitting there. I think the head gone, but I'm not gonna do all that. It's right there. Y'all see it? Poor baby. So I got the bird and I went ahead and just put it somewhere. But it just makes me so sad because I don't know if it was natural or like what was the reason that the bird ended up just being right here. I just know I've had the experience before where a cat literally would used to sit on the edge of my front fence and grab birds out the tree and leave them in my yard. And that's just very disheartening. You know what I'm saying? Like I have my yard for like as a sanctuary to birds, in my opinion. You know what I'm saying? I want them to feel, welcome here. So if I want the birds to feel welcome, it's like I'm setting them up, This is me just cleaning out my little water fountain. Cleaning this off. Clean this right here off. This is another little water fountain I have over at the side of the house. If you don't clean it out, I promise you mildew will get into it. Mildew on them still. See that mildew? The rock get mildew on them. Just wash it out. quick. Y'all see it? Blue water. This one will be the hardest to get all the mildew out of. Y'all use your left hand too, because when you use your left hand, it actually helps you to exercise the opposite side of your brain, creating different neural pathways. I'm gonna pour this out, let the Clorox sit on here, and clean it tomorrow. I ain't gotta worry about scrubbing. Okay, bye. Y'all know I ain't got no damn sense. Here's that bird bath that had all that mold in it. The majority of it came out. So I'm just going to see whatever else will come out of it. It should come on out. If it doesn't, I'm just going to put water in it and let it be. That bays are holding strong, baby. Look at that.